Welcome to my channel AJ Studio, and today I'm going to do a simple program regarding pointers. We'll see this pointer program. So this is a pointer program where you're going to have a few things. That is, one is you have finding out the sum, mean, and standard deviance. So let us debug the program. And anyhow, I have put the breakpoints over here. Before that, let me disable all the breakpoints and we will see the output first. Then we will debug it. So I'll debug the program. So it will take some time and enter the number of elements it is asking. So I'll give enter the elements as 3, and I will enter the array elements that is 12, 14 and 17. So you can see here in this the sum is 43, mean is 14, and standard deviance is 2.05. So it is the sum means sum of these three numbers, and mean means sum divided by number of elements, and standard deviation is just a formula that you have studied. So we will see and we will debug the program and we will see how it works. So I'm going to close this, and we will debug the program line by line, and I will enable all the breakpoints. So let us enable it and we will start the debugging. So let us debug the program by debugging it. So void main, the program starts from void main. So let me start continue, and you can see all the variables are going to be initialized over here. And printf, enter the number of elements. So I'll continue and scanf %d and n. So it will ask for the elements, and I'm going to give the number as 3, and I'll click on enter. So now you can see the n is 3. So n is 3. So enter the array elements. I'm going to enter the array elements. That is a for loop. It will take a number of elements. You know, it will continue for 3 times since you have given n as 3. So now scanf, it will ask for the array elements. First I will give the array element as 8, first one as 8, and I'll click enter. So the first element in a of 0, if you want you can see it here. In a of 0 element 8 is stored, a of 0 8 is stored. Okay, so next again for loop, it will come inside the for loop, and it will ask for the second element, and I am going to give the second element as 6, and I'll click enter. So you know the second element is 6. If you want to see the second element, click on this, and you can see a of 0 is 8, a of 1 is 6. The second element entered is 6. So now I'm going to continue this. So we'll see, we will continue this program by clicking on continue, and again it will ask for scanf. So now you have to give the third element. I'll give as 4, and I'll click on enter. I enter the third element. If you want to see the array third element, you can see in the second element 4 is stored, 0 8 is stored, in 1 6 is stored, and in 2 4 is stored. So these are the elements which are going to be stored. So now we will see. Now anyhow for loop is false because all the 3 elements has been done. So now first element, whatever a, that will be initialized into pointer now, since it is a pointer program. So afterwards here you can see for loop again. Here you are going to increment the sum. So you know the sum, here you are going to add the sum plus star pointer. Pointer is nothing but the address, and star pointer is that value you are fetching. We will see what will be the value of sum. So I'll click on continue, and you can see, let me show you, just wait a minute. Sum value is 8. Okay, sum is 8, first value is 8, and plus pointer, so pointer plus plus, so it will go for next element pointer. Pointer will fetch the first element is pointer is now 8, and it will increment the pointer now. So now pointer is incremented, it will go for the next element, that is of course this is the address. This is the address of pointer. Pointer address is increased, and the next address, the value of the value is 6. So I will do once again. Now sum is already 8. 8 plus star pointer. Star pointer means to that address. In that address, what is there? In 485 F8C0, what value is there? You know that in that 6 value 6 is stored. So it will add those two, and you can see the sum is 14. Sum is 14, and again pointer is incremented. It will shift it to next address. So pointer plus plus, you can see pointer is 48 next value, and in that 4 is stored. In that address, what the value 4 is stored. Now again sum is equal to sum plus 14. Sum is already 14. 14 plus star pointer. What is star pointer? You know, 4. It will add 4. I'll click on this, and you know the sum is 18 now, because all the three values has been added, all the three values. Okay, here sum is 18. So finally it will come out, and now what will happen? The mean will be calculated. What is mean? Mean is very simple. Sum divided by n. Sum is 18, n is 3. So 18 divided by 3, we will see what is the mean, and you can see mean is 6. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So that is a mean value. Okay, so next again array, whatever the a is there. Okay, you can see a value, that is the address what is stored. Okay, that is again initialized to pointer. Okay, so now again inside pointer, again the pointer is initialized to the first value. Okay, and again it is initialized. Now it will, now what is going to happen? So you can see in this 8, it is 8 is stored, because again it is starting from the starting address. So here you are going to find out the standard deviance. So standard deviance is standard plus power of whatever the current value minus mean of 2, power of 2. Then afterwards every time it will increment, and afterwards you have to do square root of some standard divided by 1, that is standard deviance. Okay, so we'll see what is the sum standard. We'll see here, we will find out the value of sum standard. So sum is already 18, and it's very simple. Sum standard is 4. So at the first iteration it will be 4. Okay, next pointer is incremented. Okay, pointer is incremented, again sum standard. Okay, and sum standard is 4. Okay, again pointer is incremented. Okay, so in this way it will calculate, and finally you will get a different pointer value every time pointer will be incremented, and finally it will come out of the for loop. Now what will be found out? That is 8 divided by 3. So sum standard is 8 and n is 3, and finally you will get std value. You will get std value. Std value is 1.632. if you want, I'll show it. I think it is over here. Standard std is 1.63229. that is a standard deviance. Now all the values are going to print sum, mean, and standard deviance. We'll see one by one. Now this line is in printf, so it will print. So if you want to see, you can see sum is 18. So 8 plus 6 plus 4, that is 18. Anyhow you are printing sum. Okay, in sum what is there? 18 is there. Next is mean. I'll click on this. Then mean value is 6. Mean value is 6. The 6 is 6 got printed. Then next again I'll continue, and standard deviance is 1.632993. so these are the three things in using pointers. So finally debugging is finished, and finally you will get the output of this program. So very simple. You have to enter the number of elements, and you should put the array elements. So sum of these three numbers, and mean will be calculated, and standard deviance is according to the formula over here, that is sum power of star pointer minus mean to the power 2, and the square root of whatever the sum standard divided by n. So this is a simple program to find out sum, mean, and standard deviance. So thank you for watching my video, and we will see, and thank you for so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much.